What you're about to see today is gonna blow your mind. Hi, I'm Inaya, and today I'll be showing you a crazy study method which is totally AI powered. And trust me, you've never heard of this. Because seriously, it's a new tool by Google Gemini, and no one's tried this before. Let's have a look at it. But wait, before we get into it, let me just introduce you to Gemini 3. It's Google's new latest AI model, and it's capable of doing several things. It's really powerful, really amazing. It has a lot of different things. Like, you can go check it out. But today I'm just going to be focusing on one of the main features, which is if you come under the tools section, you'll see dynamic view here. It's under that experimental feature, which is dynamic view. It's so powerful, so cool, and seriously amazing. So here in Gemini, once you open it, you'll find the dynamic view. Now here you select that option, and what it does is basically it compresses all the information that you are asking it to generate in a very interactive manner, in a gamified manner. Like, for example, if you want to study about certain topic, it can give you multiple quizzes and give you interactive way. Like, let me show you this. See, a general prompt formula that I'm following is like this one, where it's like explain the concept X of grade 10 CBSE level, whichever you are using, include definitions, relevant visuals, multiple interactive components, and blah blah blah. Now look at this cool thing. I'm gonna try it right in front of you. And by the way, guys, this feature was just launched like 2 days back. Today, the whole day, I've been experimenting with Gemini 3, and I'm so amazed. Okay, anyways, back to this. So, you know what? Let's do it for maths. Explain the concept of, let's say, surface areas and volumes. Okay, I gave it a really detailed prompt. Like, you literally saw me writing it all down. I'm gonna literally send it. Now let's see what Gemini comes up with. So you're gonna see this kind of a visual for like a minute or so until it creates the entire thing. Like, if you want, you can literally look at its thinking, what all it's gonna do. I'm currently structuring comprehensive. Like, it's thinking a lot. Yeah. Okay. You can see something's coming up. GeoQuest, Class 10 CBSE edition, grid view. There's some points here like 0xp something, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere. You can see boss battle. Oh my god. Okay. Something's here. It's interesting. Ready, player one. Okay, welcome to the surface. Oh my god, welcome to the surface areas and volume simulation. Master the 3D solids, memorize the formulas with our cheat codes, and defeat the final boss battle to ace your class 10 boards. Oh my god, like, looks pretty interesting. It's still making, like, let it generate it fully and then I'll, interact with it. And by the way, did you notice, like, I didn't ask it to generate an app sort of a thing like this. All I asked is that explain all the concepts of surface areas. Like, it could have explained me through through an image or a written text, but no. Once you click on that dynamic view in the text option, it will generate some sort of a web app, which is crazy. Okay, so like it's been made GeoQuest. As you can see, it has class and CBSE edition. Level, like, points are there. Wow, there's some audio too. Okay. Ready, player one, and then yeah. Let's start the mission. Okay. Wow. You can already see it's very interesting to look at. Okay. So there's like a cube, a symmetrical 3D shape with 6 equal square faces. Think of a dice or a Rubik's cube. Then there's side, CSA, TSA, oh, LSA, yeah, volume. Oh, so you basically increase the side value or decrease the value, you'll get the LSA and CSA. Yeah. And here it's like, yeah, the formulas are given. Oh wow, this is like a flip card. Like a cards that flip. So 4 walls, 4 squares, 4a square. Then like a dice, 6a square. Like a dice with 6 sides. Okay, so it's basically giving the formula for TSA, LSA, and volume, and also giving a memory hack. That's cool. And it's doing a quick check at the end, and I get like 50 points. Wow, let's do the question. If the side of a cube is doubled, how many times does its volume? If the side is doubled, so that means a square. So how many times does its volume increase? Volume is a cube, so a square into a cube, that will be 6 times. Huh? Then what is it? 8 times? Oh, okay. Damn. Yeah, you can see how cool this is. Okay, let's move on to cuboid. Oh my god. I love the images. A box shaped solid with rectangular faces. Again, it's you increase the length, you'll see the CSA change, the breadth, and the height. Wow, that's actually so cool. You're getting to know like if you change the values, how it affects. And here you have the formulas. And then a quick check in centimeter square. Yeah, I got 50 points. Then we have cylinder. Wow. A cylinder like a can. Really interesting. And then for cone. Wow. Then there's this for sphere. You increase the radius. Yeah. And what's this boss battle? Wait. Oh my god. Okay. So this is basically like this in this side it's gonna give you a bunch of questions similar to the textbook style questions. Like a circle sent is in this way. And I love this because you have the visuals right there to imagine it. How cool is this? So you enter the value, the CSA that formula and find the value. And wow, this is so cool. So you cannot move forward. You cannot do the cone CSA formula unless and until you find the cylinder CSA. Now that is really gamified. I love this. Okay, see, I told you, aren't you mind blown? Another thing I'll show you, I was just, experimenting with it in the afternoon. And look, I made another one, and this is different to the one I just made. So here you can see how the formulas have been made. Like for volume, it's like the water is being filled. So you'll get to know it's a cube. And if you look at TSA, you can literally unfold the net. And I love this part. Look at this. And cylinder, you can view the 3D part. And hollow cylinder, which is again like this. Hemisphere. Oh, it cannot be flattened perfectly. Think of peeling an orange. Yeah, but this is also another way. That was more of a gamified version. This is just a simple explainer, a simple mensuration lab where you observe the CSA and TSA and even the volume. Like how each and everything makes up. You increase the length or decrease the. Oh my god, this is so cool. Right? Tutor note, calculate the space occupied, which is what volume is. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you got to know what this is all about. Literally experimenting with your chapters, like interacting with your chapters. Let me show you another example. I was testing out chemistry, like first chapter, which is chemical reactions and equations. What I did first was I asked it, please explain the concept of chemical reactions and equations. Again, the same template, for a 10th grade CBSE level, include all of that and test my understanding. And oh my god, this is so cool, like master chemical reactions and equations. So start learning. You get all the key indications of the reactions and the balancing. Like you literally have the test. You can balance several equations and check if it's correct. Remember, conservation of mass. It's checking you. And then you see all the reactions. And then oxidation and reduction. Which substance is oxidized here? It's obviously H2. See? And if I do a wrong value like this, it's red. How cool is that? And then effects in everyday life, corrosion, rancidity, it gives me the information, the examples, prevention. It's amazing. But I leveled up. So I asked it, can you make this interactive guide of the chapter way more better? Gamify this and make it that good that I never forget anything. Now this is where I was mind blown, and that's when I decided that I have to make this video. Look at this. It has this master chemical reactions. Don't just memorize, visualize, interact, and experiment with a complete class and syllabus in gamified lab. So here again you see rank is lab assistant. Again, this is a point system. I love this. So you enter the lab, Level 1, the law of balance. According to law of conservation of mass, so it gave me the definition. Reactance is equal to products. Now it's like a game. I have to check the balancing. Iron, it's 3 here. Hydrogen 2, oxygen 4. Then hydrogen is 2. I love this. Oh my god. You can literally visualize it. How many hydrogens are there? How many oxygen atoms are there? I love this. Oh my god. And yeah. And now it's balanced. Yay, excellent work. I got 200 points. Wow. And you can see the bar just leveled up. See that? Now I can literally solve so many different levels. There's level 2, there's level 3, and so many different levels are there. Like, this is mind blowing. Like, I cannot spend the rest of the video solving this, but yeah, what I am trying to show you all is this insane way of studying. Like, studying is no more the same boring method of sitting in one place, opening your textbook and memorizing the formulas and text. Like, I just don't like it, and I'm pretty sure you all don't like it as well. I love it how AI can make things so much interesting and better. And plus, it's all free, guys. Seriously, go try it out right now. Share this video with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because a lot of interesting videos are coming up. And I'm literally going to share a ton of AI study hacks just for you all. So comment down below your favorite method, which interactive lesson did you find more interesting. And also, when you go try out this feature, give me your favorite prompts. How do you prompt and what do you make from it? And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.